Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing fine. Today I'm here to announce the release of my new ebook which I've written in collaboration with Rima's Garden, which is releasing on 15th of October. Save the date guys. 15th of October को ये book release हो रही है and pre-orders have started. So go on the website, pre-order the book for ₹199. And when you'll buy it after 15th of October, you'll have to pay a price of ₹399. So better pre-order and get your copy right now. And ये तो था थोड़ा सा ई बुक के रिलीज और इस सब चीज़ों के बारे में. Let's talk about the book a little bit. My name is Andra Thara and I'm a PhD scholar. I'm studying in IGKV Raipur, Chhattisgarh in collaboration with BARC Mumbai. I'm doing my research in agriculture and allied sciences. And basically I have been living with soil, I've been working with soil, I have been reading and understanding soil since last 7 years. So I have a thorough knowledge of soil. And अभी जो चीज़ मैं देख रही हूँ कि in last 2 and 3 years there has been a lot of boom. लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्लांट्स को प्रेफर कर रहे हैं, प्लांट एंथुजियास्ट बनते जा रहे हैं एंड पीपल लव टू हैव प्लांट्स अराउंड देम. सो क्या होता है ना कि एवरीबडी लव्स टू हैव प्लांट्स अराउंड देम बट दे डोंट नो हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. जस्ट वाटरिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ नॉट इनफ, एज आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट बिफोर ऑल्सो. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है जिसके अंदर हमको प्लांट की केयर करनी होती है एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कॉम्पोनेंट इज सॉइल. सॉइल इज द सबस्ट्रेट जिसके अंदर प्लांट ग्रो करता है. सो सॉइल नीड्स टू बी परफेक्ट बिकॉज जस्ट लाइक अस वी नीड प्रॉपर नरिशमेंट, वी नीड अ प्रॉपर एनवायरनमेंट टू फ्लरिश. जब तक की चीज़ें सही नहीं होती है, वी आर नॉट इन आर कम्फर्ट लेवल, वी आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक प्रॉपरली, वी आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रो आवरसेल्व्स प्रॉपरली. सिमिलरली प्लांट्स को भी एक स्पेसिफिक एनवायरनमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, एक स्पेसिफिक पीएच की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, स्पेसिफिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. एंड ये सब चीज़ें जो है वो नॉर्मली हर एक इंसान नहीं जानता है बिकॉज वी डोंट स्टडी दैट मच अबाउट सॉइल. तो इस बुक के थ्रू जो है वो मैं आपको इन्हीं सब बातों के बारे में बताने की पूरी कोशिश की हूँ. लाइक व्हाई डू यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द सॉइल इन विच द प्लांट्स आर ग्रोइंग, हाउ कैन यू टेक केयर अबाउट दैट सॉइल, व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड, आप कैसे डिफरेंट टाइप के पॉटिंग मिक्सेस बना सकते हैं फॉर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्लांट्स सो दैट यू कैन केटर द नीड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स विच आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक. Like flowering plants are different, succulents are different, cacti are different, the vegetables are different, trees need different kind of soil and compost, how much to add, when to add, what are the symptoms that are showing that your soil is deficient of something, और बहुत सारे ऐसे reasons है. So basically इस book के अंदर जो है वो आपको इन सब problems के solutions मिलेंगे बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में एंड बहुत ही सिंपल सॉल्यूशंस है जो कि आप खुद अपने घर पे कर सकते हैं. यू डोंट नीड सम एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस टू डू दैट, ना ही आपको कोई एक्सपर्ट मटेरियल्स चाहिएंगे या फिर आपको कहीं से कुछ बहुत ही रेयर मटेरियल्स खरीद के लाने पड़ेंगे टू रेमेडिफाई द सॉइल विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन योर हाउस. कि हम लोग जो है वो keeping it very simple. I've tried to explain things which are very scientific and very complex so that you can take care of your plants as well as you take care of yourself. Basically a printed copy is something that is very hard to carry and very hard to refer to. Like we always have our mobile phones and tablets in hand, so ebook is much better as compared to a normal printed version of a book because you'll have it around yourself every time. Whenever you want to look at, you just need to search a particular word and you'll get it. You don't need to turn the pages again and again, look at some things that are not worth your time. So basically ebook will save your time. Furthermore, you can carry it anywhere. So ebook is much better than a printed version of a book. Actually, as I said previously, soil is something that we are very familiar about because we see it all around ourselves. But how to take care of soil is a thing that not lot of people know. So basically I wrote this book for this reason only कि लोगों को पता चले कि कैसे soil का ध्यान रखा जा सकता है, how a healthy soil leads to a healthy plant. There are many things which are unique about this ebook. First of all, the language is very simple. You don't need to get a dictionary. You won't get many scientific terms. Even if I've included some of the scientific terms, then those terms are being explained in the book itself. So you don't need to get and refer to some dictionaries or Google it every time whenever you are reading my book or something like this. So it will simplify everything for you. So this is the unique thing about book. Like whenever you Google something about soil, you will get many research papers, you will get many different kind of definitions and many different kind of remedies for your plants, which are very scientific, which are like not in the understanding level of a person who doesn't know soil or who hasn't studied agriculture. So basically I've tried to simplify things for you. So this thing is very unique for this ebook and you should go for it. This is a very interesting question. I was randomly searching for some freelancing work on Instagram, and there I searched that which is the best gardening blog in India. And I got to know that Reema's Garden is the best gardening blog in India, and I talked to her that you need a content writer. Like, I love to write, I am very passionate about writing, and I love to share the research that we are doing with people who are not studying and which are not connected with this much with the research. So I am very passionate about this, and Reema understood this. She understands very well that what an author needs. So she's a very good person to work with, and I'm really lucky that I'm working with her, and I'm really happy to be writing this book with her. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better collaboration or for a better partner than Reema. She's very good and she's very passionate about doing things, very passionate about plants also, and we share the same passion. So things become very interesting and things become very easy when you guys share the same passion. That's why I decided to collaborate. I would love to keep working with her. I hope that this ebook is works really well and you guys love this book. I hope it helps you guys also to take care about your plants. I love to blog. As I said, I love to bring the research that is happening to common people. I love to bridge that gap, and I would love to keep continuing that. Whenever it's possible, I would love to work with Reema again, love to write something with her again, and let's hope that this book works out well and you guys love it and you guys get everything that you were asking for in this book. Thank you.